So the puppy is successfully locked away. I'm after going out, getting myself a console. So let's cut this wall down. Time for some gardening. Get these trees out of the ground. Good lord. Whew. Anyway, I want a tree. So first things first, I'm gonna take this off, take this fence down. That's the gate down. Jesus, that was heavy. So now it's time, I'm just gonna take this off the wall. I'm actually gonna mark the wall first and then cut straight up. It's time to get this bad boy outside started and mark the wall. Halfway up the wall now. Now I just need to figure out a way to get all the way up to the top here and over that. I don't want to stand up there, obviously if the wall goes I'll be absolutely fecked. So I'm just going to figure that out now, off camera, be safe. Equipment as always. So yeah, it's not going to budge now. The digger's coming tomorrow, so I'm going to push it down with the digger. It is loose. I just wanted to get the end caps off just to see if I could actually push it over. It's fairly steady in the bottom part there, the concrete. It's really set in stone, no pun intended, but yeah, digger's coming tomorrow. We'll push it over with the digger, but for now I'm just going to get the fence in, cover it up so the dog doesn't get out. I'm going to ratchet strap that. I have a ratchet strap. I'm going to ratchet strap it from the top up here over to that fence so it doesn't blow over and the doggo gets out. I just need to put something down this gap down here just to stop him getting out. I have something just to block that up. So once I ratchet strap that, I can push this in another little bit and put the wheels up against it. But for now, that's it. I'm gonna, the minute I get the digger here, I'll push down that wall and start digging all of this out. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's only a short little video cutting through the wall, getting everything sorted. It took me a while to get that saw turned on. It took a while to suss it out. Had to watch a few videos on YouTube. And my mate sent me a video as well just to suss it out. We got it started, we got the wall cut. So tomorrow the digger's coming and tomorrow the wall is going down. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the wall coming down and digging out this mess. So yeah, peace out. See you in the next one. Be dedicated.